Hey everybody, it's Rhonda, and today we're going to be creating a link and bio page using Canva. A link and bio page is simply a page that is full of your social media links, links to your website, your shops, your free offers or paid offers you might be having available to people. So I just want to show you how quick and easy it is to do in Canva. In fact, they feature this as one of their features, a link and bio page. We are going to go to Canva Home, and you're on your home page. And what you're going to do is click on Create New Website. Right here along the top, you'll find it. So we're going to click that, and it's going to open up a new page for us. And over here on the left, you can see there are several templates that you can use, or you can create your own. So I am just going to, I think, build one from scratch because it's super easy. If you don't want to do that, you can grab one of just search for link in bio over here, and it'll bring up a bunch of templates that you can use to get started. So over here on our page, I am first going to go to my brand, and I think I'm going to try and stick with my brand colors for this project. And if you have brand colors, you should definitely do that too. If not, you can create it however you want. And now I'm going to go to elements, and I think I want to put a torn paper frame across the top. So I'm going to grab this one. I'm just going to stretch it out. All right. And in there, I'm going to drop some kind of textured textured background, I think. Textured background. But these are, just super, super easy to create. And I'm going to use this green one because that blends in with my brand. Okay. And now I am going to add some text. I'm going to add my name up here at the top, right here. We're going to do Rhonda J. And we're going to change the font to one of there we go, the Gistesi. I can't pronounce that font. I'm not sure exactly how it's pronounced, but you get the idea. So I'm going to pop that right in the middle. I'm going to change the color. And now I think you can add and upload a picture of yourself if you want to, something like that. I'm going to put this in, and I'm just going to make that small, put it right here under my name. And there we go. So there's the start of it. Now, what you can do is add your links or your layout for your links. So let me come over here, and I'm going to go into shapes, and let's see what kind of buttons we have. This one. There we go. And I'm just going to make a few of these, and I'm going to lay them out. Let's do it like this. Bring it down just a little bit. And let me duplicate that because I want to actually, I think I'm just going to yeah, we're going to put two of them here side by side. We're going to center those. And then we are going to duplicate them, bring them down underneath, and then again, duplicate them. And you can put as many as you want here. For this, I'm just going to do these 6. And as you're building it, up here at the top, you can click on preview. So I'm going to click preview, and this is what it looks like on a desktop. And then over here, you can also, up in the upper right-hand corner, click on mobile, and it will show you what it's going to look like on a mobile device too. So that's really nice that it's easy to see what it's going to look like on both desktop and mobile. So you can, make sure you have it set up the way you want it. So you can do whatever you want in here now. Let's say you had like a freebie that you wanted to offer, like a free download or something. You can come in here to the frames, and you can grab things like, let's say, grab this like tablet frame, and you can resize that and, put it someplace, like if I'm going to be offering a free download here. You can write the name of the download. I'm just going to write free download, and I'm going to change those colors to white, make that a little bigger, change my font to Poppins. And then I could put like the image of the free download in that frame there, or a photo of whatever the download is. So let's just pop a picture in there. And that way people can see what you're offering. That's not necessary. It's just if you wanted to focus on like one main thing like this, if I had a free download, I'm going to move this. What I would probably do is I would put this right in the center. I would probably make that a little bit bigger because your free download is typically something that's attached to like your mailing list that you want people to sign up for. So you would typically make that a little bigger, a little more focused, would be the main focus of this page. So I am going to align these here quick. Let me tidy them up. Now I'm going to move them over here, and I am going to duplicate them. So I have my main offer right up here, right? My free download, and I have that photo of my download. And then below it now I have my other links that I'm going to be filling in here. So now in here you could put, let me adjust my font right away. And we're going to write community. And I want everything to be all uppercase. And then you could write website. And in here, you could put a link to your Etsy shop. And you can just, put in links to whatever it is you want people to be able to find easily. Okay. So once you have these all filled in, then you can come through here and create your links. So I would click on your button, then your three dots, and you put in your link URL. So in here, you would write yoursite.com, free download, whatever it is. And here we put the link to, say, my community. So as community.rhondaj.com, and we'd save that. And you just go on and fill in all the links for your link in bio page. And now, once you have it all done, let's come up here and preview it once more. And you can see these links are active. If I click on them, they will take me right to the pages. Click on community. There we go. It takes you right to our community. All right. And you can again, see what it looks like here, and then preview it on mobile as well. So there we go. We have, our header, and we have our freebie right there on the top that really draws attention. And then below it, all of our other links. So that looks pretty darn good. And, you can add other things to this, other elements to make it more you if you want to, but not necessary. So once you have it all done, and you can add new sections. So you could add another section here where you add more links if you wanted to. We could, let's grab one of these. And let's bring that down here to the new section. And again, we could make this one bigger if we wanted to. And we could put, something else in here that you wanted to, like if I wanted to focus people on the Profit Society, our private VIP group, we could put this here and create a link for this as well. Let's make that a link. And again, and save it. And if you go back to preview, now when you scroll down, you see there's a whole new section underneath. So you can just fill this with as much information and as many links as you want to, and just, keep adding sections if you would like. Now it's all going to be on one page. So, that's pretty nice. So it's easy to follow. You could make this top section. Let me take all this. Okay, let's come down here and let's move all of this down to our second section, right? Our links. And I'm just showing you different ways you can do this. It's completely up to you. And up here, you might want to just keep this for your header and your information. You can put a little bit of text here about who you are and what you do. There's a lot of different ways you can use this. If you just wanted to make this a little more focused on yourself, we could, take this and add some text in here, a little bit about you and what you do. And then, your top section then would be just you and about you, and then your links start. So that's another way you can do it. If we scroll up here, you can see a little bit about you and what you do. I might consider putting the large attention grabbing, put that up here in your top section, and then your lesser links, in your second section. So here we go. This is what it looks like now. Your free download and then your other links. And if we look at it on mobile, you can see that's right there, right in their face. And then your other links start after that. So, there's a lot of different ways you can do this. It's completely up to you. But once you have it laid out the way you want it, all you have to do is come up here to the upper right and click on Publish Website. And it's going to give you an option of how you want this to be named. So let's say link in bio, or, you can name it your name, Rhonda J Links, anything like that. It's completely up to you. And there's some settings here that you can change if you want. You don't really need to change much in here. And you definitely want to make sure the resize on mobile is ticked on. And then once you have it the way you want, just click publish. And once it's published, you will have a link that you can share with others, and it will take them directly to your link page. So you just copy your link and save it. And then you can click on view website, and there we are. There is your link in bio page, completely done. And all the links will take you where you need to go, or take your visitors where they need to go. Okay? So I hope you guys found this helpful. If you have any questions, please, please, please drop them in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for watching. And please take a minute to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos. And I will see you guys in the next video.